You know that feeling when you're trying to eat healthy and you're thinking about getting protein into your diet, but you're finding it's quite hard and everything tastes like cardboard? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, I'm going to share with you 4 of our most viral, most loved plant-based recipes. It's going to make it super easy for you to hit your goals. So get comfy, sit tight, hit that like button, and let's get into it. First up is our lentil masala stuffed sweet potato. This got nearly 2 million views on Instagram. That's a lot of views, right? A lot of people love this recipe. I think it's delicious. It's simple, it's bold, it's packed with goodness. It's not that difficult to make. So let's check out the video. Now, why this recipe went viral is it's like the perfect plant-based comfort dish. It's warm, it's tasty, it's easy to put together, but it's also very nourishing and packed with delicious flavors. Those sweet potatoes, they're going to be crispy on the outside, creamy on the inside, loaded with fiber, vitamin A, and slow-release energy. We all love slow-release energy, right? Like having your porridge in the morning or your Ready Brek or whatever the hell that advert was.
It's Ready Brek that makes me really cool.
I'm showing my age now. The cooking technique, if you want to get a medium-sized sweet potato, about like 250 grams, is you whack it in an oven at 200 degrees and give it about 45 to 60 minutes. Make sure you pierced it with a fork beforehand and then cover it with a little bit of oil and then whack it on a baking tray, get it in there. How you'll know when it's done is if you pop a sharp knife in there and it just kind of slides through really easily. Next up, golden tahini drizzle. This is gorgeous. It's nutty, it's garlicky, it's citrusy, but also because it's got all those spices in there, it's anti-inflammatory, it's got that turmeric, and it's also got ginger, which is great for your digestion. The base of this recipe is obviously those lentils and that coconut milk. Those lentils packed with fiber, packed with protein, packed with iron, packed with goodness. But also that coconut milk is adding that creaminess, which is tasty, but also healthy fats. If you want to make it a little bit healthier, you could try a low-fat coconut milk. That's going to have a little bit less saturated fat as well. We've got the spice and flavor boosters in there as well. That tikka paste is a great hack. It's a great shortcut for getting the flavor into a dish. But we add red chilies, garlic, and lime to add like that lovely richness, that acidity, but also that's going to be great for you. Good metabolism booster and adding more of those phytonutrients as well. If you're like me, you're trying to get greens into every single dish, baby spinach is great because it's vitamin rich, it's packed with iron, packed with goodness, but it's also going to wilt down into nothing in that pan so you won't feel like you're just eating loads of leaves. And of course, it's packed with antioxidants as well. Nutritional highlights of this one, you've got about 500 calories per serving, 18 grams of protein, 12 grams of fiber, healthy fats, and loads of vitamins and minerals as well. To finish this one off, you want to make it look pretty, so I'd probably sprinkle over a little bit of fresh coriander and a squeeze of lime or lemon, but whatever you do, make sure you try this recipe. Next up is our protein-packed green goddess salad. Now this one got over 1 million views as well, and it's just green stuff. So green stuff, 1 million views. You guys either love healthy food or we make nice looking videos. Let's find out in this video. I mean, this looks pretty good, let's be honest. That pouring shot is one of our keys to getting a really, really nice video on Instagram. And there's Ian's pretty face, just looking like a beautiful hunk of Adonis as he is. Now, why did this recipe go viral? Well, it's a super creamy, nutrient-dense recipe. And it's got that kind of lovely greenness. It's gonna make you feel kind of fresh and vibrant and lovely. And I think you guys do love healthy recipes. But of course, it's packed with protein, it's got healthy fats, and it's got loads of flavor as well. It's got that velvety green sauce, a plant-based creamy dressing that we've made from silken tofu, avocado, basil, and lemon. Anytime you're making something like a pasta sauce or a kind of salad dressing and you want to boost the protein and keep it creamy, add silken tofu. And not only is it going to be creamy, but you're also going to get protein, calcium, and gut-friendly nutrients. That's a win, right? Avocado, or as they used to call it in my mum's generation, the avocado pear. Sounds kind of exotic, doesn't it? The avocado pear. Ooh. Packed full of healthy fats, rich in heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, fiber, and vitamins. So it's great for your heart. It's also great for skin health and brain health. The fresh basil in this dish is giving it that herby kick and that kind of lovely basil-y flavor, whilst the spinach is going to add iron, vitamin K, and loads of antioxidants. Those butter beans are a perfect source of plant protein. They're fiber-rich, and they're a nice alternative to meat, right? So it's going to make this a satisfying dish, but also a plant-based dish, which is great because we love cooking plant-based food here at BOSH. Crunch and texture are coming from the crisp romaine lettuce, refreshing cucumber, and that mix of seeds, which are not only adding crunch, but they're also adding lovely omega fatty acids and essential minerals. A quick look at the nutritionals. This dish has got 450 calories, 20 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber, And of course, it's packed with healthy fats, calcium, and antioxidants. It's quick, it's easy, it's versatile. You can blend this sauce in minutes, toss it all together and enjoy it as like a salad, or it would go great in a wrap as well. My missus loves a wrap, so this will be one for her. Next time you're looking for that health kick and you want a bit of green in your life, give that recipe a try. Next up, Lazy Dal. You guys must be lazy because this video went absolutely viral on Instagram. 3 million views of our Lazy Dal, so obviously you guys loved it. Let's check out the video. If you're in a hurry, this one is for you. It's rich, it's comforting, it's super easy, and it's packed with protein, warming spices, and creamy coconut goodness. Are you sensing a theme here? We love spices, but we love coconut. Now, red lentils are the protein powerhouse of this dish. They're quick cooking, packed with fiber, and loaded with that plant-based protein. That makes this dish super nourishing and super satisfying. Aromatics are key for this dish as well. Onion, garlic, ginger, green chili. They give you that lovely, flavorful foundation with anti-inflammatory and digestion boosting benefits. Now, what you're doing with this dish is you're letting the oven do its magic, which helps lazy cooks make amazing dishes that have rich depth of flavor without too much faff or stirring or washing up. Let your oven do the work. The cumin and the turmeric in this dish are adding warmth and depth. The turmeric, obviously that's anti-inflammatory and great for you, and it's also giving you that lovely golden color. Cherry tomatoes in here, they're gonna add sweetness, acidity. Now you can use canned ones, which is gonna add a kind of natural sweetness and umami, or you can use fresh ones as well. But if you're using fresh cherry tomatoes, just make sure you cook it down for quite a lot longer to kind of remove some of that freshness and bubble away some of that water. Both Ian and I have got kids, so we're always looking for hacks in the kitchen, and frozen spinach, which comes in these kind of little discs, is a great hack. You keep it in the freezer, it doesn't go off, and then you can just chuck it in the dish and it will melt away, adding iron, vitamin K, and antioxidants without any extra prep. Coconut milk, adding that creaminess, making it rich and velvety, giving you those healthy fats that support brain function and heart health. Now, nutritionally, this dish is another banger. 480 calories per serving, 22 grams of protein. If you're looking to get those gains, make sure you try this one. 13 grams of fiber, which is a lot, great for your gut, packed with vitamins A, C, and iron. So this is a well-balanced meal. Trust me, this is one you need to cook. And this is the kind of thing, honestly, you'll be cooking weekly. So quick, so easy. And if you want to make a batch, if you're the kind of person who wants to cook up loads of stuff on a Sunday, you know, make 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, you do you. Anytime you're eating dal, I like to think of it as a hug in a bowl, and you can just kind of eat it on its own. But of course, you could add that naan bread. Of course, you could add a bit of rice. Do whatever you want to do. Whatever you do, try this recipe. Finally, we've got
the Hulk's
favorites. Another green one. This is our creamy protein pea pasta. Nearly 2 million views on Instagram. It's pasta that's green, so no wonder lots of people watched it. Let's check out this video. This dish is rich, it's creamy, it's high protein, it's dairy-free, obviously, packed with nutrients and super easy to make. We're using peas for that plant protein and sweetness. Those garden peas are vibrant in color. They're gonna give it that protein boost, and they're gonna make this both nutritious and delicious. Frozen spinach is giving us an iron and vitamin kick. It blends seamlessly into that sauce, adding all of that goodness, vitamin K, antioxidants, the works. Once again, we're using silken tofu to add creaminess and add protein. Amazing hack. Creates that velvety texture, but gives you that protein kick and adds calcium and gut-friendly nutrients as well. Toasted pine nuts, if you can get them, they're a bit expensive, hard to get in the US, but you know, treat yourself. They're giving you that nutty depth. They're giving it richness, healthy fats, and a deliciously roasted flavor, which is going to balance that creamy sauce. And if you can't get hold of those pine nuts, definitely try some other nuts like mixed nuts. Whatever you've got in the kitchen is absolutely fine. Fun fact that you don't know about me, in my first job, which was a German-based website, they used to call me Strong Taste Boy because I loved everything that had a strong flavor. Garlic, lemon, chili, all of that kind of stuff. And that's why this dish has got garlic and lemon. But it also, you know, enhances that depth, giving that refreshing acidity which cuts through the richness, and it's adding flavor, antioxidants, all that goodness. And this Nooch over here is giving it a lovely cheesy umami boost. Using Nooch is a great way to get umami into dishes without using like soy sauce, which is packed with sodium. It's a way to enhance the flavor without using salt, which is also packed with sodium. It's just a great way to get nutty cheesiness into a dish, but it's also packed with fiber, packed with protein and B vitamins. Nutritional highlights of this dish: 520 calories per serving, 24 grams of protein. It's an absolute whopper from a protein perspective. 10 grams of fiber, healthy fats, iron, antioxidants. You're getting the message, right? These are some healthy recipes. Finally, it's customizable and versatile. You can use any pasta shape. We've used spaghetti, but you could use ravioli, tortellini, penne, whatever you're feeling. And of course, add a little bit more veggies if you're that way inclined. Top it with a bit of chili oil, some fresh basil for that extra flavor if you're a bit of a wizard in the kitchen. But whatever you do, make sure you try this dish. Let us know your thoughts down in the comments and don't forget to subscribe.